Today's design is for my baddies. Welcome back, my loves. Welcome back. My name is Vanessa Chiamaka, and I am the owner of Vandy's Beauty World on all social media platforms. Okay, yeah. So I started with our base coat. As you can see, our nails is nicely prepped. We did that off camera because I try as much as possible to make my videos to be as you know short as possible. So I did the rest off camera and I cut for 60 seconds, and this is what is given. So next we are going with this base gel rather, or you can use any color of your choice. And guys, this color, I actually have this color. The last time I told you guys that I went to the market and I bought a lot of products. Yeah, this product was actually one of the products that I bought, and to be honest, this is the first time I'm using it since I bought it. It's been over 3 months, I think, that I bought this product, and it's this actually the first time, and trust me guys, it's giving. Like, the product is very very beautiful. Okay, yeah. So we're applying it. We're going to cure that for 60 seconds or more, and then we'll dive over to the next step. So I did the other finger off camera, okay, just to avoid it to be too lengthy. Guys, look at what it's giving. Like, it's very beautiful, like very very beautiful. But I decided to double coat it. Okay, so tell me in the comment section by the end of the video which coat do you prefer. Do you prefer it this way, or you prefer this double coating that I'm doing now? Okay, so just watch the video and then get the two. Just remember how it looks before I'm double coating it, and then tell me in the comment section which one you prefer. So guys, I think it will be this last finger that I'll bring on camera, okay, to avoid the video to be too lengthy. So guys, at this point, tell me which one do you prefer. Do you prefer it with just one coat, or you prefer the double coat? If you ask me, I think the both of them actually look beautiful. Okay, so you can go with any choice that you want. Look at what it's giving after curing for 60 seconds. Guys, it's very very beautiful. Like, I'm not going to be sleeping, or I'm going to be sleeping on this particular genius. I don't even know the right word to use. Okay, so now we are diving over to the next step, which is our French tip. Okay, so I'm going to do few fingers for you guys. I'm going to do either 2 or 3, or I might just do the 5 for you guys on camera. Okay, yeah, I've shown you guys so many ways to draw French tips, so I normally fasten my French tip process. Okay, whenever I'm drawing French tips, I always put the speed times 2. Okay, because yeah, by now as a NailTech you should know how to draw French tips, or if it's a design that you want to give your NailTech to try out for you, you can just screenshot or save this video and then give it to your NailTech. Okay, but if you are watching this video as a NailTech, you should know how to draw French tip, because French tip is the basic thing you should know how to do before any other thing. Okay, yeah, I think this one is actually okay. We cure that, No, actually did not cure. I just draw the whole 5 fingers before I cured all together. Okay. Don't forget you're going to cure for 60 seconds or more. So my loves, I think one of the arc in drawing French tips, okay, you try not to breathe. You try not to breathe, when you are drawing your lines, and then try to make sure your hand is, stable. Okay, it's if you can relax your arm on somewhere. Okay, like my actually relax my hand on the table. Okay, just to avoid your hands shaking. Okay, once you can get your hands stable and try not to breathe all the time, especially when you're drawing the lines, you'll get a perfect French tip. I think that's one of the secret app that not all NailTech will remember to say. Okay, most NailTech just show you how to draw, but it's very important that your hands is relaxed, and then the way you breathe, or try not to talk when you are doing it or sing when you are doing it, okay, to avoid shaking, just to avoid your hands shaking. So let's do the last hand or the last finger. Okay, let's do this last finger before we dive over to the next step. At this point, we're almost done with the end of this today's design, because today's design is actually very simple. The main thing here is just drawing the French tip. Once you've drawn your French tip, every other thing is actually very simple, and does not really take much time. So this is what is giving. It's actually very beautiful, guys. So next step, we are going to be using our dirty pen with white gel polish, and just drop dots. That is all. Just drop it to your desired design. Okay, I actually didn't want I didn't want it to be too the dot to be too full. Okay, I love it how scanty it is, and I think it's come out nice at the end of the day. So just go with what your instinct tells you to do. So guys, at this point we are actually done. Okay, yeah, so we're going to be curing that for 60 seconds, and then we're going to be applying our top coat. Then you cure your top coat for 60 seconds or more. I actually cured mine for 120 seconds. Okay, just make sure your top coat is dried. Top coat normally gets dry fast, but just in case the lamp did not touch some area, so that is why I normally cure for 120 seconds or more. Okay, so I did the rest of camera. Okay, and I cured for 60 seconds. Look at how shiny it is, very beautiful. So we're going to be doing the other hand off camera, and boom, this is what is giving. Beautiful. Okay, so tell me guys what you think in the comment section. I think this design actually it's very simple but very beautiful. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comment section. Let's communicate. Okay, and if you watch this video up to this extent, thank you for watching, and thank you for always coming back to support me, my returning viewers. I appreciate you guys so much. And please, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Okay, subscription is free, does not cost you anything. Instead, you are telling YouTube to push this small channel to other viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye. Mwah.